Hi, in this quick video I will provide you with 8 quick tips for ethical generative AI use. First off, make sure to check the local, national and international laws and practices around AI use in your field. Each region has its own rules on data protection, privacy, transparency and the ethical use of AI. Make sure you know what's required to stay compliant and ethically sound. Next, it's important to get a good grasp on how AI systems work. Understand their mechanisms and algorithms, and always use secure AI tools to protect your data and results from unauthorized access. This ensures privacy, protects intellectual property, and maintains research integrity. Third, think about the societal impact of AI. Make sure its use doesn't worsen existing inequalities or create new ones. For example, ensure everyone in your organization has equal access to AI tools, addressing any disparities in technology availability. Fourth, consider the environmental footprint of your AI systems. Make sure your practices are sustainable and don't exacerbate harm to the environment. This might mean streamlining workflows when using AI powered by more renewable energy, or only using AI when it's necessary. Fifth, always review and refine AI-generated content to maintain quality and direction in your work. Your expertise and judgment are crucial in ensuring integrity and originality. Think of AI as a collaborator that augments but not replaces your capabilities. Learn to use it effectively in your content creation processes. Sixth, be transparent about how you use AI in your work. This helps address authorship issues, avoids copyright concerns, and builds trust and credibility with your professional community and the public. Seventh, carefully read the terms and conditions of AI tools to understand ownership rights and data handling practices. Make sure they align with ethical standards and legal obligations. Lastly, keep learning about emerging ethical issues in AI. Stay updated on best practices and evolving standards to responsibly integrate AI into your work. Don't be intimidated by the rapid development of AI. Embrace it, learn to work with it, and use it to your advantage.